The situation is hard, unfortunately so. But there's no bad situation that will not be good. The question is when and how. So, all we should be saying to those who have the opportunity now, because it's an opportunity for you to have to run there. Anything you want in terms of wisdom is there in the Bible. And the Bible said there's time for everything. Time to live, time to die, time to sleep, time to be awake, time to talk, time to be silent. Yeah. So you have to wait for the right time for things to happen. Country, look after your people. It's an opportunity. That it should not be me. It should be we. It should not be mine. It should be ours. It should not be my tomorrow. It should be our tomorrow. It should not be my generation. It should be all generations, including the generation coming.